Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing a clean noise sample and locking your session. Select a 3-10-second segment that contains only the background hiss, hum, or room tone. This becomes your noise profile. Once done, duplicate the track and work on the copy so you can revert if needed. Make sure to switch your editor to high-resolution playback and export settings, because processing artifacts are easier to spot at higher fidelity, and you'll need the pure noise clip for accurate subtraction. You now generate the noise profile and apply it conservatively. In your noise reduction tool, capture the noise print from the sample, then apply reduction with moderate strength. This removes noise while preserving transients. Adjust attack, release, and smoothing to avoid pumping or warbling artifacts. Lower attack for fast noise, longer release for steady hum. Once done, loop the region and preview at different levels and headphones to verify tonal balance, because overdoing reduction creates unnatural timbre and loss of clarity. You finish by restoring musical detail and checking for artifacts. Apply a gentle high pass to remove subsonic rumble, then use narrow EQ boosts around presence bands to recover clarity. Subtle multi-band compression can glue levels without reintroducing noise. For isolated anomalies, use spectral repair or manual attenuation rather than broad reduction. Finally, export a short test file and compare it to the original at listening volume. If you hear pumping or dullness, undo a bit of
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.